Hi guys, I Aziz welcome you to CoedMaster. In this video, I am going to talk about packages in Java. In this video, I will explain what is packages, what is sub-packages, how to create packages, how to import packages, and what are the features of packages. So make sure to watch this video till the end. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Alright guys, so let's begin this video with the very first question, that what is package in Java? Well, package is a way or mechanism by which we can organize related classes, interfaces and sub-packages in Java. Now mind you guys, I am using a word related classes here. Now what does it mean by related classes? Related classes are those classes which are related in functionality. So the best way to understand related classes is using java.io package. So in Java we have a package java.io, and this package contains all the classes that are specific to the functionality of input-output operation. So this means all the classes that are present in IO package will be responsible for all the input-output operations like reading files and writing files. So long story short, package is just a way to organize related classes, interfaces, sub-packages in Java. Now this brings us to the next question, that why we even need packages? What problem it solves? So let's understand why we need packages using this real life analogy. So let's say you are a developer and you are building a huge e-commerce app. So it is obvious that in order to build an e-commerce app, you have to write a lot of classes, right? So you have created a lot of classes like this and store all of these classes in a single folder. So let's imagine that you have written thousands of classes and store all of that classes in a single folder. Now let's imagine that after a few months, one new employee joins your team and you told that new guy that go to this e-commerce application and try to understand the source code of this application. Now can you imagine that how difficult it is for a new guy to understand the functionality of this application, because he is not able to figure out that from where to start and from where to end, right? Because he is not able to find any relationship between all the classes, as all the classes are just dumped in a single folder. Now forget about the new employee. Just imagine that after few months, if you are required to make a small change into any class, then what would you do? How do you go about all of these classes, right? Because there are thousands of classes and you are not able to figure out and what changes is to be made so that your program does not break. So long story short, if you store all the classes in one folder, then it becomes very difficult to access and maintain. So guys, in order to solve this problem, packages comes into picture to rescue us. So what we do in packages? We create a specific package to store all the related classes. For example, we are creating a banner package to store all the classes that are related to banner. And the functionality of all of these classes and interface are specific to banners only. Okay? And similarly, we are going to create a package for category to store all the category related classes in this package and product related classes in the product package. So this is how we can organize our classes based on packages and sub-packages. Now this is all about package. Now the real question is how package is represented on a disk. So guys, in Java, package are folders in the file system. In fact, on disk, Java package is a directory. Yes, you heard that right. So package is nothing but a directory or a folder. So for example, here banner is a package. This means banner is nothing but a folder. And inside of this folder, we have classes that are related to banner. And similarly, we have folder for category and product, and we are going to store all the classes whose functionality is related to category. And here, these are all the classes whose functionality is related to product. So long story short, package is nothing but a folder in the system. The concept is same as how we organize files and documents in our computer or laptop. Like we create a folder. Inside of that folder, we again create subfolder. Inside of that folder, we again create subfolder to manage and organize all the files and documents so that we can easily access the documents and manage documents in future. Now, this brings us to the next question, that is there any best practice to create a packages? So my friend, yes, we do have some best practices to create a package. So the first principle of creating a package is common closure principle. So what this principle says? This principle says that put all the classes together which are likely to change. Okay? And obviously if all the classes are relatable and likely to change, that means the functionality of that class is also similar, right? So that is why this principle advised to put all the classes together which are likely to change and the classes that have same functionality. Okay? Now the second principle is common reuse principle. So this principle suggests to put all the classes together which are likely to reuse together. And according to this principle is against a giant package with lots of classes. Instead, we could create a small package so that we can store all the related classes in that package only. So as you have seen in the previous example, here we have created a small package and you can see that these packages are cohesive. This means all the classes that are related to each other are placed in this package. So these are the two principles which you should take care about while creating a package. Now, the next topic is how many types of packages are there. So my friend, packages are broadly classified into two categories. The first one is built-in and predefined packages. Now, what does it mean by built-in and predefined packages? So guys, built-in and predefined package means the package that is defined or written by a team who has created the programming language or any software. So in case of Java, we have packages like java.lang and java.io. In these packages are written by Java team. And what is the purpose of Java language package? Java language package has all the classes that are specific to JVM or the language. Okay? And by default, these packages are automatically imported by compiler. And similar to Java language, we have java.io package. So this package has all the classes that are specific to input-output operations like reading a file and writing a file. So all of these packages are called built-in and predefined package. Because if we want to use input-output operation or any functionality related to language or JVM, we can directly use these classes. We do not have to write these classes by ourselves. Okay? And the next type of package is user-defined packages. Now this type of packages are usually written by users like developers. So when we write any specific functionality by ourselves using a package, then we can say that it is a user-defined package. Now the next question is there any naming convention that we can use while creating package? Yes, definitely yes. So the first naming convention we should care about is we always use lowercase letters while creating packages. Okay? And the next convention we should take care is that the package name and the sub-package name must be separated by delimiter. Okay? And that delimiter is going to be a period. So let's say for example java.lang package. So Java is a package, lang is a sub-package. So these two packages are separated by period delimiter. Okay? Now the next convention is, it is good to determine package name by the company and organization, right? So generally we use the reverse order of company domain to start a package name. For example, here java.lang. So Java is the name of organization and language is the sub-package of the Java. So usually what we do, we start the package name by using the reverse order of the company URL, right? So for example, if the company name is ecom.com, then we are going to start a package name with com.ecom. So guys, this is all about package. Now I hope that you have good understanding of what is package, what problem it solves, how many different types of package, what naming convention you should take care while creating packages, and what are the two principles that you should keep in mind while creating packages. That put all the classes together which are likely to change and put all the classes together which are likely to reuse. Now let's move on to the IDE to see packages in action. Alright guys, so we are on the IDE. So guys, here I am using IntelliJ IDE. You can use any IDE as you like, okay? So guys, I have created a package here with the reverse order of the domain name of the company. So for example, the company name is ecom.com and we are going to develop an e-commerce application of that company. So that is why we are going to create a package name with com.ecom, okay? Now under this package, I have also created a sub package and the name of that package is order and the product. So all the classes that are related to product is going to be stored in this package and all the classes that are related to order is going to be stored in order package. And I have also created all the classes that we are going to use in this hands-on demo to understand packages. Okay, you can see here order, I product, print, I order, horizontal print and vertical print. So guys, here is the I order interface, and this interface is implemented by order class. And on top of each class, you will see that there is one package statement. Whenever a class belongs to a package, then on top of that class, we have to write package declaration. Okay, that this specific class belongs to, or this specific interface belongs to this package, com.ecom.order. Okay, now let me show you one thing. Now let's say if I create a class test outside of this package. Okay, let's create a class. Now you can see that this class does not have any package statement on top of this class. So if I ask you which package this class belongs to, so let's try to create an object of this class, new. Let's call new and test. So you can see that this class belongs to default package. So this means if any class does not have any package statement on top of it, then this class must be belong to default package, right? Now let's delete this class. So in all the classes of these two packages, we have package statement on top of all the files that says that this specific interface or class belongs to com.ecom.order package or com.ecom.product package. You can see here. Okay. Now the next thing is we have created a package, we have created a sub package, we have created a class inside of this package. Now the next thing is how to import the package or class. In order to import a classes of that package, let's call order. Okay, give it O is equal to new order and give it an ID. Okay. Now you can see that our IDE has already import the class from the com.ecom.order package. So in order to import a package or a specific class of that package, we are going to use import keyword. And now we are able to create an object of order class that is present in order package. Okay, so far so clear. Now let's see the next feature of packages. So if I go to I order, it's an interface, and this interface is implemented by order class. Now if I go back to main class and if I type I order, then you can see that I am able to see this I order interface. Now what if I want to hide this I order interface from the outside world? So if you go to I order interface, you can see here that currently the access modifier is public. This means this interface is available to outside world. So if I remove this access modifier from here, now this interface belongs to the default package. And what is the default package? Default package is com.ecom.order. So this means now we are not able to access this interface outside of this package. Let's check once again. Let's type IO. Now you can see that I am not able to see the I order interface outside of the order package. So this is how package help us in controlling the visibility and the access of the classes and interface. Now let me show you how to use static keyword while importing packages. So guys, here you can see that there is one class horizontal print and vertical print, and the purpose of this class is to print order in a horizontal manner and the vertical manner. Now let's create an instance of order class. Let's give it order equal to new order. Okay, and now try to print this order on the screen. Let's call horizontal print dot print, give it an order and run the program. You can see that the order is being printed on the screen, right? Now as you can see here, horizontal print class has one static method. Okay, and this method is static. You can see here the method is static. This means we do not have to create an object of this class in order to call print method, right? And to use this class, first we have to import this class using import keyword, right? But as you can see here that print is a static method. So can we call this static method without using this class? Absolutely yes. We can simply remove this class from here, and now we can put a static keyword here and use the static method of this class. Now we do not have to define the class of this print method. Instead we can directly use the print method of this class because we have imported this method as a static method, right? So ultimately, long story short, you can import packages, you can import classes, and you can also import method using import statement. Now guys, let me show you how to import all the classes of method using one import statement. So let's remove this import statement, and now you can see that we have one import statement here, and this import statement is importing order class. Now if I replace this order with star, this means now I am able to access all the classes that are available in this interface. So asterisk is acting as a wildcard. Okay, so we can create the object of order, as same as we can also create the order of print class. So let's create new print class. Okay, so as you can see that we are not using any import statement for this print class and this order class. We are simply using asterisk so that we can use all the classes of order package. So far so clear. Now guys, I will show you how to achieve encapsulation using packages. So guys, if I type horizontal print, you can see that we are able to see the horizontal print method outside of the order package, right? Similarly, if we type vertical print, you can see that we are able to see this class outside of order package. But what if you want to hide these two classes outside of order package? So let's go to this class. You can see here currently the access modifier of this class is public and this class is also public. So let's remove this access modifier. Now what happens after removing the public access modifier? So now the access modifier of this class is default and this class is also default. And if we have a default access modifier, then we can access the class in the package in which it is defined. So now we cannot access these classes outside of the order package. Let's try one more time. Let's call horizontal. Now you can see that there is no class with the name horizontal. And same as let's call vertical. You can see that there is no class similar to vertical. But the problem is we want to use the functionality of these two classes. So what do? We are going to create a new class, print. Okay. As this print class belongs to the order class, we can able to access the horizontal print method here and the vertical print method here. Now this class does not have default access modifier. This class has public access modifier. This means we can access this class outside of order package, right? So what do? Let's create an instance of print class. Pre is equal to new print and use the object of this class to print order on the screen. Okay, let's run the program and you can see that we are encapsulated horizontal and vertical print class and using it through print class. So this is how packages help us in encapsulating classes inside of packages. Okay. Now guys, I will show you how packages is going to help us in avoiding the naming conflict of the classes. So guys, as you can see here, the order package also has print class and the product package also has print class. Now if I create a new object of print, let's create print. You can see here there are two print classes, one in order and one in product. So let's create a new object of print class of order packages, right? So let's create a new object of print class. So as I type print, you can see here that there are two classes print which belongs to order package and the product package. Okay, so let's create a object of class print from order package first. Okay, let's call it print. Okay, let's store this print in the print variable p. Okay, now let's again create this object once again. So let's call new and call it print. Now again we have two options, whether we want to create a print object of class print which belongs to order or which belongs to product. Now if I click order, then it's going to create a print object from the order package, right? And let's say if I do not want to create a print object from order class, then we can select product package. Now this time you can see here that my IDE has automatically appended the fully qualified name of the package before the print method. And why is it so? Because so order package has one print class and product package also has one print class. So if we remove this piece of code from here, then our compiler will assume that both the classes are same. Okay, so in order to inform our compiler that this class belongs to this package, we have to append the fully qualified name of the package. Okay, so this is how package help us in avoiding the naming conflict of the classes. Now just imagine that if package had not been there, then we would not be able to create two classes of same name. So if package had not been there, we would be creating all the classes in a single folder, and it is not possible to create two classes with same name in the same folder, right? So that is why if we want to create object of class that has same name, then we have to prepend any one of the class with the fully qualified name of the package it belongs to. So guys, this is all about the package. I have shown you that how to create a package, how to create a sub package, then how to use the import statement, how to use the asterisk sign to import all the classes of the package. Then I have showed you that what is the package private access modifier, what is the static import, how we can achieve encapsulation using packages, and how packages help us in avoiding the naming conflict. So guys, by now I hope that you have solid understanding of packages in Java. So this is all from my side. If you have learned something valuable from this video, then please hit the like button in order to make YouTube algorithm happy. Please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the bell icon so my friend you never miss any upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.